guys, today I'm going to check into a boat cruise. I'm in a hurry because it's about to leave, so I'm in Icon Siam. Chao Phraya Princess is one among luxury buffet cruises serving authentic Thai dishes as well as some international treats. To board this cruise, you have to check in their office located in Icon Siam Mall and get your ticket there. Then you proceed to Icon Siam Pier 4, which is out the exit of the mall's gate 1. This cruise takes place in Bangkok's Chao Phraya River. There are several boats, so make sure that you check which pier you're supposed to board from. What I love most so far is how the staff waves to customers waiting to board the cruise. I think it's the most unique thing to watch. It is time for us to board, my lovelies. Let us go!
Any questions related to the safety information, please raise your hand and our staff will be more than happy to assist you. We hope you enjoy the unobstructed views of the panoramic Bangkok landmarks and the memorable nights on Chao Phraya Princess. Thank you.
We would like to inform your life vests are located under your seat. The toilet you go outside, right hand for man, left hand for woman. Smoking area is located at rear of the ship. For the buffet zone, please wear mask and wear gloves. Kindly wash your hand with alcohol every time you join in. Okay, thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ Are you ready, everybody? Enjoy for the dinner. Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ Everybody, let's eat. Okay, let's eat. Thank
you. This cruise is an exclusive experience. I just love how clean it is and very well organized. For my starter, I'm having shrimp, mussels, and sushi. You also get a complimentary drink on your table. I got lucky enough to be moved on the upper floor of this cruise so I could enjoy the beautiful city views at night and the fresh breeze. Now it's time to indulge in this amazing Thai dishes with variety of foods to choose from rice, pasta, fish, chicken, salads, desserts, fruits, and a mini bar where you can buy alcoholic beverages if you wish to. This is such a highly needed treat. Enjoying delicious food while looking at amazing views. The food is so wholesome with everything tasting authentically different, yet so yummy and satisfying. Right where we are passing here, my loves, is the famous long bridge of Bangkok, the Golden Bridge. So beautiful. For my dessert, I'm having a chocolate mousse and a cheesecake with blueberry sauce. These are absolutely delicious, complementing every dish that I've had today. Total yumminess. After happy tummies, everyone is excited and they're dancing, enjoying the beautiful views of the city, those lit tall buildings. The iconic Icon Mall is looking beautiful at night, and everyone is just taking this experience all in. So now guys, sit back and enjoy the rest of the video.
Porfa, deja de llorar. Nada peligroso va a pasar. Me quedo aquí contigo y nunca te voy a dejar. Todas las pesadillas ya se van. Nada pasará. Ya nada pasará.
For only $30, you can enjoy this beautiful experience. I highly recommend this for families, friends, and couples on romantic vacation. It is absolutely worth it. If you like this video, don't forget to add it to your watch list, and I will see you on my next video, my lovelies. From me today, it's all love. Toodles, toodles.
Just para ti.